Adley Homes is closing out their last two homes in their section of the highly sought-after Mosaic community. If you're looking for a new home, this is a great opportunity to take advantage of closeout pricing on one of the last two Adley Homes. Hi there, I'm Robert Martin with We Buy Realty here in Daytona Beach. Today, I've got some exciting news about one of the last available Adley Homes in the Mosaic community. Adley Homes has just slashed over $50,000 off the price of this stunning property, making it an incredible deal. This is the state-of-the-art Somerset model, built by one of the area's most reputable builders, Adley Homes. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home features a spacious, open floor plan and a private lanai that backs up to the serene Tiger Bay Preserve. Now let's talk about what makes this home so special. First, it's constructed of concrete block with core foam injected insulation, a 16-SEER AC unit, an energy-efficient hot water heater, which helps keep your electric bill low. The foam-filled block, together with the double-pane windows, also has the added benefit of making a quieter living space. The Adley home uses a zip roof decking system that gives you added protection against water intrusion and comes with a limited 30-year manufacturer's warranty. This home boasts a gourmet kitchen with quartz countertops, designer shaker cabinets, GE stainless steel appliances, and an upgraded lighting package. And this home has porcelain wood plank flooring throughout. The wide open floor plan includes the large kitchen space. It has an 8-foot doors throughout, 12-foot ceilings, taller baseboards. The family room features a pocket sliding glass doors that open a clear span 16-foot opening to the lanai, which overlooks the beautiful conservation area. Plus, there's a 2-car garage with a large carport, creating a fantastic space in the shade to unload groceries or keep extra cars out of the weather. Check out this large porch. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee sitting on this porch, visiting with neighbors as they're out for their morning walks. Being part of the Mosaic community, you're just minutes away from I-95, close to shopping and restaurants and the beach. The low HOA fees gives you access to 2 resort-style pools, a family pool and an adults-only pool, a clubhouse, an amphitheater, a playground, a fully equipped gym, and a community fire pit overlooking the lake that includes an awesome fountain. There's so much to do and see here with a home of this quality in an amenities-rich community, and now with a reduced price, there's no better time to get into this amazing property. To tour these last 2 special properties, visit the sales office in the community at 731 Mosaic Boulevard, Daytona Beach, from 10 to 5, 7 days a week. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. If you or someone you know is considering moving, call or text me at 386-898-0700 or stop by the sales office. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.